I like to see how you move, darling. Oh baby, please, you look so flawless. Wanna know all your secrets hiding. I wanna be part of your life, yeah. But let me be something more than friends. Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be real? Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be real? Dance in that fire, fire. Wanna know all your secrets hiding. Suddenly you stole my heart. I'm barely breathing, boy. Nothing compares to your love. Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be real? Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be real? Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be real? Oh, I need something, something that comes for you. Do I mean nothing? Do you want to be
Stop what you're doing, get in the moment. Oh yeah, show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Stop what you're doing, get in the moment. Oh yeah, show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh Get
Alright guys, this is, as y'all already saw, that was the final look that I just recorded. I was contemplating on if I wanted to do the whole makeup thing, and I really didn't feel like it. I'm tired. I know I've been gone for a minute. I haven't done any uploads. And the crazy thing is I have recorded 2 other videos, but I just didn't feel like putting on any makeup any makeup for the final look. Sad, but as you can see, yes, somebody is interrupting our video today. Yes, they see it. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything together. I've got approximately 3 more weeks, or it could be sooner. So these are the twists, the crochet twists, and what I mainly wanted to talk about in this video tutorial was the braid pattern that I used, because it was a little bit different, more so than just the hair itself. Although the hair itself lasts, and I do like it. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I've had it, and it did start out heavy, y'all. I was like, whoa, I could not do 4 full packs of this. So I think this is 36 inches, and it comes also in a, is it 36? I can't remember now. It's been too long. And that pregnancy brain kicking in. It's either 36 or 40. So I can't even imagine how the 40 inch would be. So it's held in pretty good so far. The only thing has popped out has been these 2, which I expected, because I mean my hair is short, but I did my individual looking method at the top, as you can see, and then because my shaved sides are kind of starting to fill in a little bit more, I was able to do the traditional way. So I just cornrowed it with hair extensions, added it all the way in, all the way up into the back. So it's still, because I wear it pretty much down for the most part, sometimes I will wear it back, as y'all could see, and sometimes I have put it up, but let me tell you, that bun is massive and it is heavy, so I don't wear it up too often. Like I said, the hair itself is good. There's no unraveling. I do like the fact that these twists are a little bit thicker than the other rope twists that I have tried, and it's definitely, of course, low maintenance. Would I suggest this for a vacation? Heck yeah, 1,000,000%, because you don't really have to do anything to it. And yeah, so like I said, I do like this little braid pattern combination thing that I came up with for me transitioning out my haircut, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next, because this is about to be hospital time and I'm not trying to worry about hair. That's the last thing, but I also don't want to stand on top of my head. So probably gonna do some locks with some human braiding hair that I found. So I will do kind of like a review on that, not so much a tutorial on that style, because I know it's gonna take me a minute, and to sit there and record all that while standing up, that ain't gonna be it for me, not at over 9 months pregnant. So yeah, what else, Dylan? What else did I have to say? I can't remember. Yeah, so I do have some more vlogs. I've been sleeping, y'all. I tell you, I'm tired. I'm trying to get ready, trying to get prepped. The nesting mode has finally kicked in, so I'm trying to wash all this baby stuff, get the car seat installed today. It's just been a lot. Yeah, I got some more vlogs coming, hopefully, if I have the energy to upload. But I do have some footage. I have some old footage from when we celebrated Dylan's birthday. It's just so much. It's just so much. It's just so much. But I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. And yeah, I think that's about it. So, yeah, excuse me for the no makeup look. I was not feeling it. I just didn't feel like it. I'm hot. It's 80-something degrees today. I got so much stuff to do. But yeah. Yeah, I feel me. And I'm gonna try to get up so you can see like the full length, because these come down past my butt, and that's not even at the back row, y'all. Right, I still have a whole undercut. So if you do get these and you put them down, like, they will definitely be like almost thigh length, and depending on how tall you are, they're definitely long. So I'll try to show you guys a picture of them in its entirety. It won't be a makeup look, but it's gonna be the hair in its entirety. So as usual, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me and sticking through this. Yeah, that's all I got. So in the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.